Hello and welcome. In this short meditation, we will explore a simple yet powerful way to find inner peace and mental clarity. Whether you are new to meditation or already practice mindfulness, this is a gentle reminder to pause, breathe, and reconnect with the present moment. Begin by finding a comfortable position. You may sit on a cushion, a chair, or even lie down. Now, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your body begin to relax. Bring your attention to your breath and notice the rhythm, how it flows in and out naturally. If thoughts come up, that is perfectly okay. Simply notice them and let them drift away, like clouds passing in the sky. Return your focus to your breathing. In Eastern philosophy, true clarity arises when the mind becomes still, when we stop chasing thoughts and simply be. As the Buddha taught, peace is not found outside of us, but within. Each breath connects us to that inner stillness, the calm space beneath the surface of the mind. Now, gently bring your awareness to your heart. Feel gratitude for this moment, for the ability to breathe, and for the peace that already exists within you. Allow this sense of peace to expand, filling your body and mind with light and clarity. When you are ready, take one last deep breath. Slowly open your eyes, carrying this feeling of calm and clarity with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for taking this time to meditate. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more guided meditations and mindfulness practices.